We've got a really interesting car for us today, a 1970 Javelin SST. It's got the 401, it's got a 4-speed, it's big bad blue, Sidewinder exhaust. It's the Mark Donahue edition with all the spoilers. This thing is just loaded up with good stuff, which I can't wait to tell you all about. Be honest with you, I've grown up around cars. Get all the Camaros, the Chevelles. I knew very little about this car. I did my research. It was very interesting. And this car, the way it was born a big bad blue car. It was born a 390 4-speed with the black corduroy cloth interior. It's the Mark Donahue edition. So Sidewinder exhaust, that was a dealer option, I learned. But this thing is pretty cool. Go to volocars.com. That's where you can read about it. That's where you can look at over 100 pictures top to bottom. And that is also where you will find the price tag along with the finance option on every car we have for sale. That's at volocars.com. If you enjoy the videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel, click on the bell icon, and you'll be notified when the next video is posted. For right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, I'm very intrigued by this car. I think it's just cool. It's got it all going on. The ram air hood, the stripes, the wheels, the spoilers, the color. Inside too is loaded tilt wood wheel, the buddy cushion in the middle. Just a really, really cool piece. So underneath the car, the front end looks like it's all been rebuilt. Steering, suspension, all looks like it was a part new. Same thing in back. The hardware on the springs are new, and it's got staggered shocks. They look new. Also has a sway bar in the back. Brake system is good. The brake lines look like they've been replaced. E-brake cables are hooked up, and they've upgraded it to disc. There's disc at all 4 wheels now. You look up at the motor, it looks brand new. The oil pan, the oil filter, all the components looking up at the motor, it is fresh, like it was recently done. It does have a high torque starter. It has a correct T10 4-speed, dated for this car. And it does have the posi rear end in the back, which was a requirement for the Donahue edition. It seems like I'm forgetting something underneath. Gas tank looks like it might be the original one. It does have new straps on it, so someone's probably had it down and maybe cleaned out. And obviously the side exhaust, there's no exhaust under the car, it's next to the car, which you'll hear it towards the end of the video. Now let's check out the body on this thing. So it does have the ram air hood, scooped hood, raised up like that, real cool looking. This is all straight, clean body, no issues, no damage, all straight, looking good. Side of the car is straight, all fits very nicely. No rust, smooth along the door, no rust at all, no bubbles, no blisters. Lines up real good, shuts real nice. No issues on the roof. It's got the spoiler here, one of the spoilers. This is all nice and clean, all real good. It has the trunk dovetail spoiler. Now this end cap is a separate piece, and they decided to be fancy and fill it in. Well, it did crack right along the seam. Well, it's cracked down at the top and at the bottom. Mark Donahue signature, all clean and straight. Same thing on this side. It's cracked right along the seam at the top, and that's it. There are some area of little tiny bubble blisters right down at the very bottom right there. This is all nice and clean, straight, lines up real nice. Roof is real good, door looks real nice. So the body's very clean. You got some little blisters and then the cracking back there. Other than that, it looks really good. Now there's a tag in the door that tells us it was born the big bad blue. The paint is really sharp looking. The black that they painted on here does have crackling in the black paint. The blue looks real nice, real shiny. I mean, minor imperfections, a little divot or a dust nub or something like that here and there. But overall, the paint is shiny and nice looking. It does have the stripe package on the side. Marker light looks real good. The stainless trim been polished like chrome. Windshield's been replaced. It's crystal clear. Has the chrome sport mirrors, really nice shape. All this trim all the way around here is beautiful. I'm sure the door handle's been replaced because that's real nice. The paint looks really nice. Yeah, the Sidewinder exhaust, I read up on that. They never offered the exhaust from the factory. It was a dealer installed option that's on there. The emblem looks new. The rear window is very clear original, has a few light scratches. The rear bumper looks like it's been chrome plated. Tail light looks real nice. I don't see any damage or cracking. Paint, little tiny chip right here. Like I said, there's going to be some imperfections in the paint, but it looks really nice. The wheels, the Magnum 500 wheels, they are 15-inch. They look new with some nice BF Goodrich tires. 390 emblem. The car was born a 390 car. It has a 401 in it now, which is actually a bigger, badder engine. The 401 was the biggest, most powerful engine AMC built, but this car came with the 390 originally. And now up front, part of the Donahue edition was the blacked out grills. This is all in excellent shape. The chrome is real nice, shiny. There's the front chin spoiler way down there. The emblem looks new. So that's the outside of the car. Pretty cool. Let's open it up. We'll show you the inside. All right, let's see what's in the trunk. So underneath the trunk lid's painted. It's got a chrome latch. They replaced the sticker, the bolts. It's got a wire running up, so it probably has a trunk light. Yep, the bulb is not in it. Weather strip's replaced. Inside the trunk compartment's nice and clean. It's spatter painted. Has a new mat. Has another option, a rear window defogger. There's a blower that I just noticed. I didn't realize it had. Door jambs are real nice. The original tags on that door. The weather strips and sill plates were replaced. Door panels look very good. I thought that black cloth material was wrong, but this car was born black corduroy, and that sure is what it looks like to me. Now the dash has been completely replaced by a company that specializes in AMC parts. I forget their name, Aramark or something like that. But all the instruments are in mint shape, all the bezels, the wood grain. Has the tachometer with the temp and fuel gauge, a vacuum gauge, oil and alternator. Look how nice all this is. Glove box liner's new, the light works. Got a chrome hinge and latch. Got a oh boy handle here. You got a chrome T-handle shifter. Now it's a tilt column, but look at this wheel. This is a nice wood grain deluxe wheel. Also the clock is working, I just noticed. So we got bucket seats, and then you have the buddy cushion here in the middle, which apparently is not attached. But you can sit a third person here, or you have a nice armrest. The seats are cushioned real nice and upholstered real nice. Back seats all upholstered to match. You got the original seat belts, front and back. Side panels, the rear shelf, that's all good. Interior lights work. Headliners all redone. Visors are redone. So very, very nice interior with some nice options. This is a loaded up AMX. Tell you what, this is a really nice car. It's not perfect, but go find another one. I know you're not going to find one like this with all these options and colors. It just got so much cool stuff going for it. The motor must be fresh. It looks very fresh, and it's got some upgraded parts. You can see the intake is all polished aluminum. There's a good-sized dual-feed Holley carburetor, MSD ignition system, chrome valve covers, real nicely chromed, coated set of headers. Down here it's got a chrome alternator, chrome hinges and shock tower cover and fender supports, and up in front here we have brackets. So somebody did a bunch of chroming at one time. The fan shroud. This features power steering and power brakes. Also has the American Motors washer fluid bag with the little pump on it. The very nice motor compartment. A disconnect on the battery. The engine bay is painted up real nice. A lot going on here. This car just has so many cool features. The looks, the sound. Revving through these gears and hearing them pipes, it's got to be awesome. So yeah, so this has the Go Pack. I mean, it's got it all. I don't know what it's missing. There's a little tiny dimple dent right here in the trim. So yeah, you can buy a Camaro and park next to the other Camaros at the show, or you can buy something that's totally unique and still badass. This thing's got so many cool features. I love it. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen will help answer your questions. They'll help you finance it. They'll help you get it delivered to your door at volocars.com. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Click on the bell icon. You'll be notified when the next video is posted. Thanks for watching.